Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you this oceany springtime night makeup look. It's very ugly here in Connecticut and I decided to film, relax, and just figure out what kind of look I wanted to do. So I had no idea it was going to turn out like this. I had the blue smoky eye in mind, but as I was doing it, I felt like the look was very dull and flat and it needed something to kind of brighten it up. I paired it with the purple and it was a perfect touch. This look was very quick for me to create. So if you guys are interested in how I did this, keep on watching. Hey guys, good afternoon. So for eyeshadow primer, I'm taking Makeup Forever Eye and Lip Primer. I thought I'd switch it up and I winded up hating it. So this primer is a clear based primer and it dries to a tacky, dry feeling. I felt like I really had to rub it into my eye in order for it to kind of move evenly throughout my eye. But it was very weird, you guys. I even applied it all over my lips, and throughout the video I winded up taking it off because it made my lips feel very cakey and dry. So to make up for it, I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, an NC35, and I'm going to use it to cover up my eyes. First eyeshadow palette we're going in with is the Too Faced Best Year Ever palette, which they came out with during the holiday. And I'm taking Marshmallow and I'm using it to set my eyeshadow base. Now for our transition color, I'm taking Spiked Cider and I'm using my Sephora x Mini Collection blending brush. Next palette we're taking is the NYX Water Palette, and I'm taking that bluish green color in the corner with my It's My Ray Ray Collection number 7 brush. And I'm going to really use this color to carve out my crease. Now it does not have to be perfect, just as long as you really get into the socket of your crease, and we're going to later blend it out. Now we're taking the BH Cosmetics number 5 blending brush, and with nothing on this brush, I'm going to use it to blend out the edges. Okay, for this part, I took the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeliner and I passed it all over my eyelid to act as a dark eyeshadow base for the next eyeshadow. I had a little bit of trouble kind of blending this color out because it was so dry, but I would recommend to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil or an actual gel in a pot because it's a little easier to kind of maneuver around instead of it drying so quick. So it did take me some time to really blend this out. I did take the same It's My Ray Ray brush, the number 7, to really focus on blending the edges out. Now I'm going back in with that number 5 brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm taking Jolly from the Too Faced palette, and I'm going to take this Corner Blue shade from the NYX palette. I'm going to use those two colors to really focus on blending out that black edge furthermore. Now I'm taking this gorgeous Deep Forest greenish blue shade with my Morphe M167 brush, and I'm going to start to pack this color all over my eye. Now I'm taking the Moondust palette from Urban Decay, and I'm taking that Galaxy color and I'm passing it on top of that shade that we just put to make it even more glittery. Did my eyeliner and my other eye off camera, and now I'm just passing some mascara. Now I'm just taking the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeliner and I'm just passing that through my waterline, and I'm using it to tightline as well. For lashes today, we're taking the beautiful Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos. And now to move on to the face. So I'm taking my Smashbox primer water and giving my face a spritz. For actual primer, I'm taking the Urban Decay Optical Illusion and I'm just passing that in the center of my face. For foundation, I had a sample of the new Bobbi Brown foundation and I had the number 4.75. I felt like the color was a little off when I first applied it. It looked a little too light in the TV that I was looking in. And then it was a little hard to blend out because it dried super fast. So if you guys have this foundation or tend to pick it up ever in the near future, I would recommend to do small portions of your face at a time because the foundation does dry quick. For concealer, I'm taking the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC35, and I'm just applying it with this basic concealer brush from Sephora. To bake, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder, and I'm taking the BH Cosmetics small tapered brush to apply it. Okay, because I felt weirded out about the foundation, I'm taking the same powder with this flat, fluffy brush from Sephora, and I'm just setting my entire foundation. For bronzer, I'm going to take my Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm using both Carrot and Crown, and I'm passing that with my Morphe M530 brush. To contour, I'm taking the Too Faced Cocoa Contour in medium to deep, and I'm taking Deep Mocha with my It's My Ray Ray Fluffy Brush number 5. I'm going to take Unwrap Me from the Too Faced palette, and I'm using my Sigma E15 defining brush, and I'm going to pack this color really close to my waterline at first, and then I'm going to blend it out with the same brush. Now to define my lower lash line, I'm taking Pine Cone from the same palette and the same flat defining brush, and I'm going to pack this color even more closely to my waterline. I just took the same purple and I'm smudging out that burgundy shade that we just did with my Morphe M408 brush. Now I'm going to take Magnetic from the Moondust palette and I'm going to use my finger to pass that all over my lower lash line. To finish up with the face, I'm taking the blush from the Too Faced palette that we've been working out of, and I'm just passing that all over my cheeks. For highlight, I'm going to take hashtag Blessed from the same palette, and I'm using my Morphe M510 brush. To start off with the lips, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Lip Liner in Trophy Wife, and I'm going to use it to overdraw my lips a little. For lipstick, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Muse. Okay, me terminé. If you guys like this kind of look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up on your way out. And if you know you're not part of my team, then what are you doing with your life? Psych, nah. Very nicely. Please subscribe. And yeah, just don't forget to click that red button on your way out. And look forward to my future vids too. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.